In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a photo on your Gmail account. Let's dive right in so you can personalize your Gmail experience with a picture that represents you best. The first thing you want to do is open up Gmail on your computer. Once you have Gmail open, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile picture, which might be a default image or one you've previously set. Click on this picture and a small menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to find the option that either says Change or shows a small camera icon on your existing picture. Clicking here will initiate the process to update your profile photo. A new window will pop up, giving you several options for where you can source your new image. You can select a photo directly from your computer if you have one in mind. Simply navigate through your folders and choose the file you want to use. Alternatively, if you have pictures stored in Google Photos, you can pick an image from there. Google Photos is a convenient option, especially if you regularly back up your pictures to this platform. And if you're feeling a bit creative or don't have a specific picture handy, you can also select from a range of illustrations provided by Google. These are fun and vibrant and can really stand out as a profile picture. Once you've selected your desired picture, you'll have the option to make some adjustments. You can rotate and crop your photo to make sure it fits perfectly. This step is important because it helps you present your image clearly and professionally or creatively, depending on your preference. Take your time with this. You want the picture to look just right. After you're happy with how everything looks, click on the Next button. This will take you to a final confirmation screen where you get a preview of how your new profile picture will appear on Gmail. If everything looks good, go ahead and hit Save as Profile Picture. Congratulations, your new photo is now set as your Gmail profile picture. Remember, you can go through these same steps anytime you want to update your photo, so feel free to change it whenever you like. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully personalized your Gmail account with a photo that represents you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tech tutorials. Until next time, happy emailing.